Welcome to the project Net Energy Meter Monitoring System. So in this project we are going to have two sections. So one is interlinked with ARM7 LPC2148 microcontroller. So one energy meter we are fixing to the household. So this is the energy meter which is taken the power from the substation and utilized to the house. And here we are going to use the second section using solar based inverter, solar based battery charging, and from the inverter whenever we energize, so we can, as soon as we on the load, this is a power which we are giving to government from household. So here we are going to monitor two sections. One is utilizing to the household section and giving to government section. So here we are going to show with a small bulb as a loads. So one is the solar panel which is interfaced to the battery charging, and from the battery we are going to design with inverter, and from the inverter we are switching on the AC load, and these parameters are being monitored using energy meter, and the live energy meter readings get displayed on LCD. So whenever we give the input to energy meter. Now this energy meter we are giving plug-in to the transmitter section at household at ARM7 microcontroller. So you can see here at household we are going to have microcontroller unit which is fixed to. So here we are having two energy meters. One is giving the power to government and utilizing from government. So here two digital energy meters being interfaced to ARM7 LPC2148 controller. And on LCD we get live meter readings being displayed, and along with information about household as well as government and the net value being utilized. So we can just check the output. So as soon as we on the kit, the respective loads get switched on. So even we have on inverter circuitry along with household circuitry, and the two live energy meter readings being displayed on LCD, and the net value automatically the system itself calculates, and the live net meter reading being also displayed on LCD. So in this way we can have a net meter reading. Suppose if the household energy consumes more power from the substation, the person of a utilizing load can pay the money, and suppose the selling power to government is more, then the person gets the money from government. So in this way we can have a net meter reading system using solar inverter along with ARM7 LPC2148 controller. So the live two energy meters being displayed, one to the government and from the government to the household. Live readings you get displayed on LCD visual. This way we can consume the power, and by utilizing the solar panel, whatever the energy which is being utilized from the solar can be sent to the government, and we can save the consumer's power bill by utilizing the solar based power to government. Thank you.